Hello and welcome to this video. Before we get started, grab your folder labeled Pardon Application. Retrieve sections 1 and 2. During this video, we're going to complete sections 1 and 2 of the pardon application. So without further ado, let's get started. Under section 1, select Pardon. Have you previously filed a clemency application? No. If you did, you would just put the date that you applied, the application number, the state, granted or denied, date granted. Next, under section 2, prefer salutation. So for this fictitious example, Mr. Enter your first name, John, middle name, Henry, last name, Smith, suffix, for this example, NA. In regard to alias or other names, if you have one indicated here, if not, simply put NA. Date of birth, 7/1/80. Social Security number, 123-45-6789. Address, 123 Anywhere Street. Apartment number, 100. City, York. State, Pennsylvania. Zip code, 17401. If you have an email address, list it. If not, you can put NA. My email address is jssmith@gmail.com. Primary phone number, 717-201-999. Secondary phone number, I don't have one, so NA. Name of institution, so if you were incarcerated, you would put the information there. For someone who is probably filing for a commutation of prison sentence, but for this example, this doesn't apply, so we would just simply put NA. Inmate number, NA. Parole number, NA. Now regarding representation, if someone's going to represent you, such as a friend or a family member, you would just simply put the person's name, their address, telephone number, and their email address. But for this example, I'm going to be representing myself, so I would just simply select self. Before I move on to section 3, one of the first things I want to do is to simply review sections 1 and 2 just to ensure accuracy, just to make sure that I have everything completed correctly. So as I wrap up this video, please make sure you take your time completing the pardon application. Also, make sure you subscribe. Thank you and good luck.